today's video, I'm here joined by Kaylee Wright, which is my cousin, and Savannah, me. And I'm also joined by Madison. You can go check out her channel down below. But I'm doing a Roblox video.
Bro, you don't call them up.
No, but they can't see me.
Huh?
No, but they can't see me.
No, cause
But after getting interrupted, someone's in my house. But I've been working on this house for like 50 days. I just added some things to. Hi, I guess. Hi. Sure. Her name is Petlover.
Really, pet lover.
That's her username, Petlover. She's somewhere on the server, Petlover.
I'm trying to get on my Roblox account.
So, yeah, you could really go check out her. She lives, I think, on the other street. I never been in her house. But she lives on the second street somewhere. Got it. Glad I could help. Yes, I'm glad I could help. Who do you want to give a shout out on my channel?
It's a channel that me, my friend, and my god brother from my sister made. It's called MAB.
Okay, go follow MAB Squad. If y'all can't hear her, hold up. Okay, now you might hear.
MAB Squad. Wilson.
Okay, if y'all didn't hear that, it's MAB Squad Wilson. And I'll also try to put it in the description. Try to put it in the description.
So, and make sure y'all go follow my Roblox account. First, I gotta find you. I don't even know what my Roblox account is.
I'm starving. I need something to eat, y'all. I haven't even made my daughter anything. I'm poor, okay? I need to work.
I just noticed I can log in on Facebook. Really?
Wow.
Bitches,
I don't like Facebook. I like Instagram. No offense.
I like Facebook and Instagram.
I like Instagram the best. Because I get Instagram. Hold up, my cousin just called me. I'm not on the FaceTime with her like I'm on my friend Madison. If you need money, I'm poor. I'm even trying to build my house, so you're not getting it. Got money, always.
I'm gonna press. I just want that account. Because it's gonna be.
I'm poor myself. I'm poor myself. He wants this. I think it's the deluxe. It's a Bloxburg. Okay, guys. Well, now I'm finna go home. I'm poor. I don't even literally. I only made $2,076,000. So I'm gonna go home. And I'm about to take a bath and get ready for bed because I think that it's at least 3 in the morning and I normally go to bed by that time. So let's go to bed. Let's go to bed. Wow. Wow. Okay. But so what? Yeah, it's 8 p.m. It's 8 p.m. I'm about to take my shower and go to bed. I haven't even ate, but I'll eat some. I'll eat some in the morning. Did you tell him when you were actually born?
No.
It won't let you if you do.
Okay, Brooklyn, what's your name? I never ever added people. I'm always by myself. I'm playing with random people.
Y'all hear this? Drip. That was what I'm gonna say. Tripping ice.
That's there was a commercial song. Oh, okay. How do you add people? I don't know how to add people.
I'm starving.
How do you make your profile?
Okay, you got create your own character. You gotta buy Robux. You have to buy Robux. That's how they get you. When you just join. You look like a bacon head, don't you?
Yes.
Yup, you gotta buy Robux and then buy some clothes and hairs and stuff.
How many Robux did you got?
Well, I have 2,000, but I spent it
How
on
you
it.
get 2,000?
You buy it on your mom's credit card, duh.
I'm going to do that. She gonna buy my locker.
Oh,
Let me stop. I want my locker. Cause I want my locker bad.
Yep, so you better get that and try to... Oh, how about for your birthday you asked for him? She should have said it.
Yes, that she'll do that.
I can just look at the moon because I don't have a roof yet. You know, just look at the
Okay,
moon.
how you ask people?
Oh, I'm a ding-dong ditch, people. Y'all, I'm going to be just, ringing it up well.
I actually put 2,001.
Look, I'm about to ding-dong ditch people. Bell, run away.
I got my username account. I'll be playing Roblox every day now. I have a bunch of homework.
Recording a YouTube video.
How you doing this?
Oh, they electricity out. I guess I just have to knock on their door. What did you say?
I said, how you do this? You
It's
can do that on Roblox.
yeah, it's also an app.
Oh, never mind.
Queen Nick can even be at her house because she's a baby. Oh, there's something at ABC for May. ABC, but we live at your house. We live at your house. I will definitely pay you. We're just going to have to live at your house. She agreed to it. Hold up. Who is that her? I'll throw a party.
Okay, it's Maddie.
I don't know why she want a maid. It's okay to me. Yeah, I have to pay her, but that's okay. Why would I want to keep her to myself? Me and no. ABC, all the way. ABC. This is gonna say ABC for 100K. Oh my God, this girl has a mansion.
Who got a mansion? Your cousin?
I'm here.
Okay,
I'm here. Wait me. I'm sorry that I have on my. No, thank you. This girl, I'm gonna have to get her.
Somebody just sit there.
I'm poor myself. Okay, she roommated me. Did she say ABC for her to be your maid or for?
Roblox. What's that?
Oh, I'm her maid. Okay.
Look at boots.
Okay, we both pay. We get paid. Okay, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Y'all, I'm doing a job and I actually get paid. I guess I'll sleep in this room. This room sleeps nice. I'll sleep cozy. Okay. And I'm getting her to build my house. I swear I'm getting her to build my house. This girl has some unique wallpaper. Hold up, I need to tour her house. Hold up. I don't want to shout out. This is a pretty pink room. Here's your room. Nice. I like it. It's a big room. Like, I thought I was going to get, like, a teeny tiny room. Oh, okay. I see my picture here. Dicky with a booty. Okay, I'm dead. I just said Dicky with a booty. Ooh, I have a walk-in closet. I don't think I can actually walk in it because it's very thin. Oh, I can. I can change it in that. And the thing is, I have more BTW. Oh, start cleaning and make breakfast. Where's... Okay. Okay, I'll make some breakfast. She said she wanted some breakfast. I gotta do that if I want to get paid. I'll make her pancakes, bacon, as long as I'm getting paid. Okay? I love her. Freaking. She is such a... Yes, I'm definitely getting her to build my house. I'm gonna friend request her. Send her a friend request. I need her to build my house. For real, though. For real. Need her to build my house. Is she gonna accept or does she have too many friends? No, because it'll tell me if she had too many friends. Please say me, please say me, please say me, because I really need that 100K. I need the 100K. I need it. I'm poor. I'm gonna say I need it. I'm poor. I'm already trying to do a maid job. She actually... Okay. I'm getting off early. I gotta go get my money. Why is my cousin here? Oh my god, this is not even my house. What am I doing letting my cousin in? Yeah. Can I get my money? Gosh. I need my money. I'm cooking hard. Fine, I'll leave. Wow, like I care. I will perfectly walk little two shoes of your house. Feet down out of your house. This is kind of funny. Literally, you do not have to get me out. Can you shut up? Can we have yourself fixed? What did I do to her? Literally, she just called me fake. What did I do to you? What did I do to you? What did I do to you? Like, why are you calling me fake? What did I do to you? Gosh, you guys are... You're rich. You have millions of dollars. Okay, it's not fake. Like your teeth. That's my